Today we are making the best crispy skillet potatoes along with the most delicious tofu scramble. You wouldn't even know this is a vegan breakfast. Peace and divine blessings, fam. Welcome back to another episode where I'm going to be sharing with you another healthy vegan recipe. And this is the ingredients that we're going to be using. The ingredients will also be listed in the description. We're going to start by chopping our vegetables. So I have jalapeños, red pepper, orange pepper, onion here. And this is going to give us added nutrients to our skillet crispy potatoes, additional fiber, vitamins, and minerals. And that's going to help our digestive system out because potatoes is not really that popular in the nutrients category, so we gotta do something to bump it up, and this is the perfect thing to do, and it's going to give our potatoes so much flavor as well. Then we are done here chopping up our vegetables. The key to making our potatoes crispy is we're going to start with our extra virgin olive oil. Add your potatoes when the pan is hot. That's super key to making crispy potatoes. Add your seasoning, and it should be in a medium to high heat to begin with, because if it's at a medium to high heat, that's how you're going to get the crispy golden edges on your potato. So that's the secret. And then we're just going to gradually stir occasionally. So I added Old Bay seasoning, onion powder, and basil. All of the seasoning will be listed below. And Old Bay seasoning, black pepper, basil, and onion powder. I think I probably added some garlic powder as well. So this is how I stir the potatoes, and do you see it's browning, getting crispy, some of them? This is what you'll gradually do occasionally every 3 to 4 minutes until it's well done. This is definitely going to be your fave breakfast because these potatoes are so good, so delicious, and as you can see, they're getting so nice, crispy, and golden brown on the edges. That's how I like my potatoes. I don't like my potatoes soggy. I like my potatoes like nice and crispy, on the edges, and then nice and soft in the middle. So this is the trick. Then we're gonna add our vegetables that we chopped up. Also, I stir them from the bottom up because I don't want my potatoes to get mushy. I'm like really big on like crispy edges for my potatoes. Like all my family will tell you, like I love making the potatoes like crispy. And this is our finished crispy skillet potatoes. Now, if you want to get an additional crisp on your potatoes, just slide them in the oven for a couple minutes, about 10 minutes. It's going to be extra delicious. Now we're going to be making our tofu scramble. I make the best tofu scramble. So we're going to, as we always do, press our tofu to get all of the water out. Make sure you're using organic, non-GMO tofu. I'm just using a rolling pin and my cutting board to squeeze all of the water out of my tofu. Adding oil to a pan, extra virgin olive oil. Add your onions until they're translucent a little bit. And then next we're going to crumble in our tofu. The secret ingredient to get our eggs the yellow color is Jamaican curry powder, and this stuff is like so delicious, so packed with so much flavor. And you can use the regular curry powder, which will do the job, get it the yellow color, a little flavor, but that Jamaican curry powder, so good. You're going to come back in the comments and tell me, oh yeah, it does taste really good. So we're just gonna stir fry that, and look at the yellow color, and then add your tomatoes and jalapeños. And my fam tasted this, they loved it. They were like, this is weird, it tastes like eggs. I'm like, I know. And to finish my tofu scramble, I'm sprinkling some red hot grounded pepper on my tofu scramble. And here is my crispy skillet potatoes. And it's time to enjoy. Let me know in the comments how this goes, or if you're gonna try it out. And subscribe for more healthy recipes.